Hello, welcome to Pecan Corner. I'm Tina, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on my little plants. I've got these right here are the ones that I was showing you in the last video, that I was moving the little sprouted seeds into their pots. And these around here are some more recent ones that I've moved into pots since then. This is one of those original ones. These are too. This particular one's not growing that well. It's a different variety. I was watching a channel, Haas Tools, and they were talking about growing watermelons, and they said they like to start out their watermelons from plants instead of from just planting seeds. So I've planted my watermelon seeds, and boy, they sprout fast. They sprout in like a day or two, and of course they make a big plant, so they're coming up right. These are some other ones. There's some basil, now these were some of the ones that I was moving the other day. These are ground cherries, but I've got some melons and some cucumbers. These are cucumbers here. These are cucumbers as well, and these are peppers. So anyway, I'm getting ready to plant out. I dug 12 holes today, and when I go to plant, you know, these tall tomatoes, I'll try to bury as much of the stem as I can, and that way they can grow roots along the stem, and that'll help them strengthen the plant a lot. So started digging my holes today. We had a freeze last night. It's the last freeze. We always have a freeze around Easter, and so that was the last one. So now I can put them out. It was too windy to plant, but I got 12 deep holes dug today, and I'm tired. So tomorrow hopefully I'll be able to put 12 big tomato plants in the ground. I've got some even bigger ones than these that I had bought when they were in their 4-inch pots, and they've, of course, sitting here waiting for a month. They've gotten really big, so hopefully I'll get them out tomorrow. Anyway, I just wanted to give you this update. I'm actually happier. You know, the Jiffy pots, there's a lot of things about them that are good, that you have to try to figure out a way to label them. That was a little bit of a challenge. The toothpicks with labels attached, it works pretty good, and it was certainly easy. When I needed new ones, I could just pop them out, but at the same time, you know, they're growing moss and such, and so I haven't ever experienced that with my regular seed starting potting soil. I don't know about that. So anyhow, but I'm happy. I'm excited. It's springtime, and looking forward to enjoying the growing this year and having a nice harvest and nice fresh homegrown veggies. You guys take care, and talk to you again real soon.